Greetings, fellow reefers, and happy Pi Day. I just wanted to give an update on my Triton Oasis 150 gallon reef tank. I made a few adjustments to the tank. I also added some new livestock to the system. The first adjustment that I made to the system was adding an algae scrubber to the sump, and I'll show you that later on in the video. Okay, let's get started. So the first new item is this mysterious clam. If anyone knows the species of this clam, please leave it in the comments. So I have no idea. I picked it up from a local reefer and he didn't know either. So if you know it, please leave it in the comments for me. Thanks. The next coral that I added is the Welzo folded brain coral. As far as coloration, it's mostly red and a bluish green. I also decided to introduce a diamond goby into my system, mainly for the sand maintenance. But of course, he's hiding right now. I also added another cleaner shrimp to the system. I now have a grand total of 4 cleaner shrimp. Alright, let's go downstairs and check out my algae scrubber install. So I decided to install an algae scrubber. Always heard good things about them, so I wanted to test it out for myself. It's pretty early, so it's one of the waterfall models. And so basically the water is pumped from the sump onto a screen. And the screen should start to collect algae on it. But currently it's still white. Oh, I forgot to mention, I also added this blue-orange acan. A friend gave me a piece of his Hollywood Stunner coral. And last but not least, I added this purple Candycane coral. And I'm going to leave you guys with some views of my tank.
This is our world, and this is our time. These are our plans, we're gonna let them shine. This is our place in the human